Hello, future makers. Welcome to Teacherpreneur. Every child is a different kind of flower, and together they make our classroom a beautiful garden. November calls for celebration of Children's Day. Though Children's Day is limited to only one day, but I believe that children are those creations of God that spread happiness throughout the year. So today's video is dedicated to our Bacche Man Ke Sacche. So let's get started with how to celebrate Children's Day virtually in lockdown. To celebrate Children's Day virtually is that the teachers can dress up like the kids' favorite cartoon characters before coming to the Zoom class. This will just surprise the kids, and even you will not feel awkward because you are in your own home. You don't have to dress up and go somewhere. So try this, and I think it will be an amazing idea. The second best activity to celebrate Children's Day in lockdown could be to play Match the Following with the kids. Now, Match the Following is something very common, but here's the interesting twist. In column A, you should put the pictures of all the teachers that are teaching the class currently, and in column B, the same teachers' childhood pics need to be put. Ask the students to match them and let's see if they can guess the correct one. It'll be a good activity and it'll be fun. Another suggestion to celebrate Children's Day virtually could be to hold a competition among the teachers. Could be any competition like dance or poetry or storytelling or anything, and make kids the judge of the competition. This will be a good swap and the children will realize what it is to be in your place. Also, the winner could be declared at the end of the class on the basis of voting. I think it's worth giving a shot. The next idea to celebrate Children's Day virtually is to host a small quiz wherein the children guess whom are you talking about. Few examples could be, I'm talking about the girl with the longest hair in the class, or the boy with the best dance move. This will be a fun activity where all the kids engage in the class and feel excited. They will actually feel the joy. Do try it. Another thing that we could do to make the children feel special is to use the Baby Filter app and record small videos for all the children. It will make the child emotional to know how much they mean to you and how much they are important in your life. Kids have very good knowledge and creativity. And when these two are mixed with the right amount of innocence, you know it will be amazing. Try and ask the kids to complete the sentences like, it's amazing to be a child because, or when I grow up, I want to be, and you'll be amazed with the answers that they give. The last suggestion for celebrating Children's Day is to play the games that you played in your childhood with the children and explain them how your childhood was different from theirs. Of course, it will be a good way to bridge the gap between you two. Some suggestions for the games could be bingo, the dot game, X and O, name, place, animal, thing, etc. Do try this, even you will feel nostalgic. At the end, I would only like to say that just how when you water small plants and they grow up to be big trees giving delicious fruits, in the same manner, if you nurture these small kids with love and care, they will grow up to be the future of this country and will lead the country towards light. If you like the ideas, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us which idea was your favorite. Share this with maximum teacher friends and subscribe to Teacherpreneur for more such videos. See you soon.